Cake Vlog family, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we advanced some decorations for a Super Wings themed cake. And now it's time to bake and decorate. Those of you who are new, my name is Jade and I am a cake decorator representing the beautiful tri-island state of Grenada, Carriacou and Petite Martinique. If you enjoyed this video guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. As always, baby boy is here keeping me company while I work. Hope you had a chance to see his birthday vlog. If you missed it, go ahead and check it out. I'll link the video in the description bar below. Special thank you to all of you that wished him a happy birthday. He certainly enjoyed the day. Okay, so the vanilla cake batter has been mixed. I added some rainbow confetti and now it's time to put it in the oven for baking. Have a look at the process. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have. I always like interacting with you. Once the cake layers were cooled, I then leveled them, filled them with buttercream frosting and applied a crumb coat. Here I'm covering the cakes in marshmallow fondant. So I usually cover the top and then the sides. I like the results I get when I do it that way. Once the two tiers were covered, I went ahead and stacked them 8-inch and then the 6-inch, and it was time to decorate. If you missed the video where we made the decorations, go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked in the description bar below. Take a moment and hit the thumbs up button if you're enjoying the video so far. Alright guys, so here is how the cake turned out. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Really appreciate you taking the time to look at this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy. Not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. I would love to have you a part of the Cake Vlog family. Remember, live your dreams and create the life that you want for yourself. Until next time, bye guys. See you in the next video.